Managing freelance income can be overwhelming, but using the right accounting software makes it simple and efficient. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to use accounting software to track and manage your freelance earnings with ease, ensuring your financials stay organized and your taxes stay manageable. First things first, choose the right software for your needs. There are tons of options out there, but I've tried and tested the most popular ones. The software we'll be using today is designed for freelancers, which means it's built to handle multiple clients, invoicing, expenses, and everything else you need to keep your finances on track. Let's start with setting up your account. Once you sign up, you'll be prompted to enter some basic info. This will include your business type, income streams, and even your tax status if you want to get ahead on year-end prep. Don't skip this step, as it'll ensure that the software tailors its features to your specific needs. Next, you'll want to connect your bank account. This is a key step in syncing all your income and expenses automatically. The software will pull in transactions from your bank, so you don't have to manually enter every payment. This is going to save you a ton of time. Just make sure the connection is secure and you're good to go. Now let's talk about invoices. With accounting software, you can create professional invoices for your clients. Simply input the services you've provided, the rate, and any other necessary details. The software will generate a clean, detailed invoice that you can send directly to your client, track payment statuses, and even set up automatic reminders for overdue invoices. For expense tracking, this software lets you link your business-related credit cards and bank accounts, so expenses are automatically categorized. This is important, especially when you're working with multiple clients and handling various services. The software will allow you to separate personal and business expenses easily, keeping things crystal clear for tax season. The next step is to set up categories for your income and expenses. These categories will help you stay organized and prepare your tax filings at the end of the year. Common categories for freelancers might include client income, software subscriptions, and travel expenses. Once you set these up, the software will automatically place your transactions into the right buckets as they come in. One of the most useful features is the reports. The software will generate reports that show you how much you've earned, how much you've spent, and what your profits are. You can look at income statements, tax reports, and even cash flow. This is where you'll see how well you're doing financially and where you can improve. And here's a little secret. Our software has an exclusive free trial for viewers of my channel. If you want to follow along with this tutorial, click the link in the description below to get your hands on that trial and get started today. Before I wrap up, let's go over the key takeaway. Using accounting software to manage your freelance income can help you stay organized, save time, and make tax season a lot easier. By setting up your account, connecting your bank, tracking invoices, and categorizing your income and expenses, you'll have a smooth and efficient process for managing your freelance finances. Don't forget, the software we're using comes with an exclusive free trial just for you. Check out the link in the description to get started. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.